I'm Ross Naddock with your closing comments for August 6th. Today, corn settled up about half a cent, soybeans up 4.5 cents, we had Chicago wheat up 1 3/4 cent, spring wheat up 5 cents, Kansas City wheat up 4 3/4. In the live cattle market, we settled down about 25 cents. On the nearby contract, the October's actually finished in the green here after a lower start, and feeder cattle finished up $1 on the day with hogs down $1. Regarding the markets and what pertains to the move on of the day, we did get that tariff news of China retaliation here this morning. That did not have much of an effect on the grain markets today, as it was tied more to the crude oil market and some of the others other than the grain complex here today. So crude oil did drop about $2.50 on the day at one point, starting to come back here toward the end of the session. In other news, I guess a lot of the estimates, private estimates that came in before this report for Friday, they've been mostly at 176, a little over 176 on corn for an average, a little over 49.5 for soybeans for an average. Both of those markets, I think that a lot of traders are coming into ideas that might be where we come in this year, with a lot of numbers being thrown around. But at the same time, if we veer very far from that on crop report day, that'll be what influences the market after that comes out at 11 o'clock on Friday. Otherwise, in the cattle markets, the cutout values were firm once again midday. The cash market continues to look fairly firm, even though the futures have weakened here the last couple. Feedlots again holding out for 116 live this week. In the hog market, we just haven't found that bottom yet. We're closing in on that lowest set on the weekly charts back in early April. So we are a little lower there, still trying to find that baseline of support. I'll leave you with the disclaimer: past performance is not indicative of futures results. Futures and options trading involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers.